Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to Italy in the 80s and 90s, where there was a dish called penne alla vodka, which was very popular at that time. Not so popular now, but I thought I'd do it because it really is a very nice tasty dish. And it's very easy to do. There's hardly any ingredients and it's very inexpensive. So watch along and I'll show you how to do it. See you in a minute. Right, first thing you want to do is get yourself some extra virgin olive oil. There's about 3 tablespoonfuls gone into the pan there, and then add in some finely chopped white onions. And when you cook these, you want to cook them gently. Don't fry it too high because you don't want burnt onions. What you want to do is try to achieve a consistency where they're golden brown. Once that's done, what you want to do next is to add in your pancetta. Now with the pancetta, you can use either smoked pancetta or plain, and sometimes this comes with garlic already in it. So remember, don't add any additional garlic into it. Stir this around and cook it evenly, and you want this to get brown and not burnt. So make sure you don't have your heat up too high. What I'm doing now is I'm putting in some garlic because this didn't have any in the pancetta. So just a teaspoon of crushed garlic and mix it around and gently cook away. If it's too high, it'll actually burn the garlic as well, and that won't taste very nice. Right, that's what it looks like after it's been cooking for a while. And now it's time to add in the alcohol. Now I'm putting in 100 ml of vodka. Now don't worry about giving this to children because the alcohol is actually cooking off here, and you'll taste the vodka but you won't actually get any alcohol in it. The longer you cook it, it will just cook it out, and you can see as it's going along here, the steam is all evaporating, and this is actually making the process go along so that the alcohol is cooked out on it. That's what it's looked like after it's been cooking for a while. Right, okay. Next thing to do, make sure it's all been reduced quite a lot, and I've added in a tin of chopped tomatoes, some basil and a bit of salt and pepper, and that's now been reducing for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can see that a lot of the liquid is gone and it's just bubbling away, and now it's ready for the next stage of cooking your pasta. Now what I've done is I've boiled up some water and I've added in some penne rigatoni and brought that to the boil with a tablespoon of salt, and then that is ready for when you want to incorporate it into the dish. Now I've added some single cream, and this is on a very gentle heat, and just stir this in until it becomes a lovely pink colour. And you'll notice that the more you cook this, the more pink it will become, and it really is the essential part of the dish, adding that cream, and it really does make it taste lovely. It's a very nice dish, this one, and please make it. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Now at this time of the video, you usually see me saying what a nice dish it is, and glad to have you all along and see you on the next video, but there was a bit of a glitch on the recording button, so that's not going to happen. Anyway, you can see the dish. I hope you try to make it because it really is very nice and it's inexpensive, which is essential these days. Anyway, I'll see you again next week for another video. Hopefully I'll get it right next time.